feeling good, I'ma show you. Doing it like I'm supposed to. So fresh. Take me over. Feel it in my soul, yeah. You see, one for the win. I'm good. I'm good. So good. So
We are the revelry, we are the dreamers.
Miguel, kahit na 1-year-old ka pa lang, kitang-kita na namin how much you are very malambing, and I hope even as you become older, kahit hanggang mag-teenager ka na, malambing ka pa rin kay mom and dad.
We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure, we feel it in our blood. We're light up.
Born on the 17th of July, year 2023, at around 4 in the afternoon in Capital Medical Hospital here in Quezon City. The star of the day, the birthday boy himself. Clap your hands for Miguel Pablo Evangelista Olaveres!
We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure, we feel it in our blood. We're light up. We have everything we need and we know. We were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We're light up. We're light up.
Hi Miguel, happy birthday. Natutuwa ako dahil napakaliit mo nung lumabas ka. Daming problema, nahirapan ka maggatas. Tapos ngayon, parang ang tangkad-tangkad mo na bilang 1-year-old. Miguel, ang gusto ko, maging masunurin ka, sumunod ka kay ate, alagaan mo ang pamilya, lagi maging makatao, maging humble, at lagi mong iisipin ng ibang tao din.
We were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We're light up. We're light up. We're light up. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright.
Happy birthday, Miguel. I don't have any wish for you to be, but to be respectful and loving to your parents, your sister, and the rest of the family.
We're light up.